Good morning. A prospect wanted to know how ArchiTerra works with the Earth movement. I prepared a little terrain, calculated the terrain so we can go directly to first the plateau and later some roads. Plateau. Here we have first to make a little polyline where we want to have the plateau selected. Okay, go into the plateau tool. Let's put it on 15 meters. Here we can decide the cut and the fill if we want to change the angle. Let's put this a little bit more longer because it cuts down the earth movement. Okay, perfectly. Let's look quickly in 3D, and here we see how the fill and the cut is done perfectly. Now let's put here down a little road. Again, we go, first you have to go in the spot plan. We use an open polyline. Just draw the lines. Select the Graphisoft tools to do some curve. It's just to show the way of doing it. Oops. Okay. No. Select the polyline. Go into the road tools. Let's put it 8 meters wide. Okay, also here we have the cut and the fill. We can decide the angle. Okay. And it's done now. Let's look at it in 3D. And here it goes wonderful down. Okay, we see maybe better the way of the road if we eliminate here the colors. Let's go, oops, sorry. Let's go to the dialog box. Okay. And here we see that it shows the cut in red and the fill in yellow, also on the road. Okay. It calculates the height always where we put the point. If we want to rise the road a little bit, then we have to select, let's say, the road itself. Okay. Go to the cross-section tool. Okay. And here we have a cross sections of the road. Let's see if we have here the numbers, everything, but it's not the way to go. Let's select the road itself. We want to rise it a little bit. Okay, also here, and also in the end, just a little bit. Okay, we want to make this calculations done, so in this case we have to force it that it should be done. Okay, it is done. Now we can see it in 3D. You see exactly how it's done. Now here I said that if you don't make this longer, it cuts it down here on the end. It was 2 meters. Here we made it longer. Here it was just 2 meters, then it cuts down. We can select this, how far we want the fill to go or the cut before it cuts it down, because here will be done some works to avoid to be too long, this slope. Okay, so if this is done, everything, we can ask the program to calculate the Earth movements. Okay. Now it's done, and we can go directly in the dialog. Okay, and here you see the first plateau, the cut, the fill, and the balance, and also on the road. This is not a road design program. It should help to do the first estimations, to get very close to the project, what an ArchiCAD mostly needs. In the future, maybe we'll develop it more detailed by cross sections, but for now, we didn't have really requests in that direction. People think this is enough for their needs. Okay, thank you very much for your attentions, and I hope you liked it. Thank you.